Hello there, dear friends. I'm going to show you how to pair these TOZO Crystal Pods earbuds to your phone for the first time. This is for Android phone. Look at how cool these look. Swipe down, hit on the Bluetooth logo right here. Okay. Make sure it's switched on so it's searching. So then we're going to take these earbuds out and they're going to blink red and white real fast. It says right here, scanning for Bluetooth devices. There we are. Under details, TOZO Crystal Pods. Click on that. It says right there, pairing. Then here it says pairing request. Pair with TOZO Crystal Pods and hit pair. And now we're paired. We're ready to rock and roll right there. TOZO Crystal Pods connecting. Connected for calls and audio, 100% battery remaining. All right, if you have any questions about this, let me know. And I'll see you on the next one. I'll have more videos about these wonderful crystal pods. And look how cool they are. Just look so great.